anything bikes, and today we are doing edition 68. Not actually looked inside the edition, so I don't know what we're doing. So it'll be as much as a surprise for me as it is for you. Alright, just having a cup of tea. Right, so we have a look. Perfect. Right, so pull it up a bit more so it's all in. Lovely. A classic wing, Qatar 2006. Victory in the second race of the season counted for more than just the points tally, as it boosted morale for the whole team. That's a nice picture. I think, I'm not sure, doesn't he do a small prayer before he gets on the bike? I think that's what he's doing there. And look at the colour of the bike. It is absolutely beautiful. I love that colour. Okay. Here, knowing when and where to take extra risk and power past all the difficulties was one of Valentino's talents, as he proved at Qatar in 2006. He secured this race 25 points at the stake, really. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, we're doing the handlebars. Lovely. So, yeah, the boom boom. Okay. Oh, calm down. MotoGP's return to Silverstone. He's waving at us there. In 2015, after starting from 4th position, Valentino climbed through the field, setting the fastest lap on his way to victory at Silverstone. And Rossi's record at Silverstone, he's got 1 victory in 2015, 3 third places, which is 2014, 16 and 17, and 1 fastest lap, 2015. What year was it we went to Silverstone?
His last race.
His last race, yeah.
In Britain as a MotoGP rider.
Yeah.
21, 23 or 22, one of those.
Yeah, we was there at Silverstone. It's amazing to see him there, MotoGP rider, which was really good. Anyway, so, oh, look at that. That looks oh, we can't look at this. Oh, we fit it. I think we fitted it on this wheel. I can't remember what it's called. Wow. Okay, that's really exciting. So, 2008 season race by race, the Australian GP. Although the newly proclaimed world champion started 12th at Phillip Island due to a practice crash, he finished second in the race after a phenomenal comeback. I'd actually love to go to Phillip Island. There's a few places I really want to go and watch MotoGP. Bucket list. Also want to go to the TT next year and see one of my favourite riders, apart from Valentino Rossi, of course, who's now retired. And I'd like to see Peter Hickman at the TT. Hi, Peter. Anyway, so let's get going and let's start. So this is the last one in this box, and then next time we open a new box, which will be really exciting. Feels like we are getting there. Anyway, where's this? So I've got it here. Let's oop. That's not sharp, is it? that. What have we got? So, right handlebar grip. That's the right one. So here there, I'm going to remove that. Let's take them out. No, I'm not taking them out of the paper because I don't know my left from my right and I'll get mixed up. I'll take one out to show you now, but then I'll put it back in because it says right on the packet. So this is the right handlebar. Oh, it's got all little patterns on. Don't know if you can see that.
Is it all rubbery?
It is rubbery. Look, it bends. Ah! How long is it? I'll show you how big it is with my finger. Look at that. It's to my first knuckle. Oops. To my first knuckle. It's how tiny these things are. It's amazing. Anyway, yeah, it's rubbery. Because, yeah, it smells rubbery as well. Right. So it's the right handlebar grip. We've got the left handlebar grip, which is there. Keep them in the packets. Left handlebar end button. See, so that's that one. That's interesting. Don't know if you can see that. It's got a hole in it. Yeah. I don't know why I'm whispering. Sorry. And again, look how tiny it is. Not even as big as my nail. And if you can see that. Yeah, it's not even as big as my nail. So we've got that. We have the brake lever protector, which is this. That's plastic. But that's what that is. I'm so excited. There we go. The same way as the picture. And then E type C screws, so we're screwing again. And they're the ones, type C screws. Let me show you these, because these are the Allen type things, I think. Yeah, I think. Look how tiny they are. Tiny, tiny, tiny. And I think they're the Allen screw things. Anyway, we'll find out. It's not even as wide as my ring, look. Yeah, anyway, let's put them back in so we don't lose them. Because I don't want to lose anything, because we have to write back to dear Gastini. So we've lost some, and so that they send us some. And we're mumbling now. It's because I'm excited. Let's see what we're doing. Okay. Let's put that properly. I think you guys will be able to see that. Right, so let's have a go. Get the left handlebar assembly from magazine 66 together with the left handlebar end button, part C, and the left handlebar grip, part B, noting that this has a smaller internal hole than the right grip. Right, let's get the other handlebar. I think aha, this is the other handlebar. Right, where's that come from? This has come off. I'll have a look somewhere. Right, let's fix this first. So we've got this. And we've got this, and which one did I have? That one, that's the left one, sorry. I knew if I took them out the packets then I would get it wrong. So that one goes on there, and then we have that on the end, which fits in. Look at that. How amazing is that? Wow. Okay. 2, slide the grip all the way onto the handlebar. Yeah, we've done that. And press the button into the pin at the end of the handlebar. Finish should look like this. So they've got it that way. And it does look like the photo. This is the photo that we're looking at here. And this is the handlebar here. Perfect. Step 3, I'm just going to put that little bit there that just fell off to one side, because we'll put it back in a minute. Step 3, now get the right handlebar assembly from magazine 67. That's where I went wrong. This is the right one. Assembly, and slide the right handlebar grip, part A, onto the twist grip. Okay. So we're going to slide this onto the twist grip. That's tight, that is. Oh yeah, look at that. That moves. Step 4, take the brake lever protector, part D, and type C screw, part E, and you'll also need your Allen key to tighten the screw. So we're taking this, and we're taking one of these. Let's turn it over. I was right about the Allen key. Right, where have we got our Allen key? It's in here somewhere. So tiny. Look at that. I've got our Allen key. Right. So, fit the brake lever protector onto the end of the handlebar so it points in the direction. So we're fitting this onto the end of that. Let me just pop that out of the way. So it points in the direction shown in the photo. So we're doing it that way, I think. Make sure that the screw holds the brake lever protector firmly, but don't over tighten it. Right, is that in as far as it can go? I think so. Because there's something stopping it from going any further. Yeah. Right, so I'll put that in there. Actually, let's do some WD-40. And look, my glamorous assistant has already got the WD-40 ready for me, which is amazing. Let's use this colour cup today. Do a little trick. I've dropped it in there, which is never a good idea, is it? So, let's put that on the end. And let's look at the picture again. That goes, how have they got it? that way. And said to do it, but not to over tighten. Oh my god, how easy was that? Look at that in there. And it looks like it's the same way they've got it. They're a bit skewed. Let me put them the right way. Right, so let's make sure that's tightened and make sure it is with the picture. I'm just going to leave that up a bit more. That's in there. But do not over tighten it. So we've not over tightened it. Excellent. So step 6, now you can take the front wheel and fork assembly you completed in magazine 11 and fit the 2 completed handlebars onto the upper ends of the front forks. Slide them into place, locating the internal ribs on the handlebar clamps in the slots in the forks. Do not use glue. Do not use glue to secure them. So that's brilliant. Okay, so let me get out our I think that's the engine. Right, that's the engine there. 1 second. This is so exciting. Got that. Put the engine back. I have to wrap everything to make sure that it's all secured. Let me put that up of there. Right. Put them there. I love unwrapping things. Look at this. I think you'll get a better view of this now. We've got a better camera. Actually, let me move all the bubble wrap. Can you see the detail on that? Whoops. And on that, look at that. Isn't that amazing? And look how big it is. So it's bigger than my hand, that wheel. So it's going to be big. We like big though, don't we? Right, so you can now take the front wheel and fork assembly completed in magazine 11. So that's this. And fit the 2 completed handlebars onto the upper ends of the front forks. So we've got that way and that way. Okay, right, so does that go that side? Trying to get, right, let me have a look in there. And then I'll be able to align it properly. I think. There, yeah, I'm aligned with that. You see that? Don't think you need glue on that. Vroom, 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 vroom. Look at That is amazing. Flipping heck. And then this one, let's look at the top. Make sure we can align it. Need 6 hands. I'm trying not to break anything. There. So this way is for this one. I wasn't looking properly. Right, so let's, there we go. Brum brum. Oh, look at that. I don't know, can you see that? Fucking hell. Sorry. Yeah, my glamorous assistant is going mad at me now. And I'm keeping that in, because he is. Let me move the magazine out of the way, because I want you to see this in all of its glory. Wow. Change that. Look at that. And it all moves. Brum, brum. So, look. You can see that, how it moves. And then we got all the moving parts in that. Oh my God, that's amazing. That needs going in a little bit more because it's not in as much. Unless it doesn't, that one slides in. Unless it's not supposed to go in that far. I don't know. That's loose there, lot. And that one's tight. We'll sort that out anyway. Look at that. Can't stop looking at it. Isn't that great? Wow. We're getting there. That is amazing. Okay. I don't know how to put that now. Put it like that. Can you see that? So, back to the magazine. Final result, with both handlebars in place, the fork assembly of your Yamaha should look like this. Keep it safely ready for the next stage of construction. Look, same as the picture. Amazing. I really enjoy that. So, that is 68 completed, and we are really getting there now. We're starting all the fitting and bits. Thank you so much for being with me. And at this point in time, I have 53 subscribers. So I would really appreciate your time in subscribing to this channel, if you're enjoying it, of course. And share and like, and make any comments about anything that I'm doing down below in the comments box. Excuse me. And so I will see you for the next box. So we're opening the next box, and number 69. So have a good couple of weeks, and thank you, and I'll see you soon. All right, bye.
Cuts my steaks very well, thank you very much.
We need a sharper knife. Although it cuts your steaks very well.
Yes, it does. Thank you
very well. Look.
I know it's not really made for plastic. You broke the last one, so what can I? What you shouldn't be
I
complaining.
did break the last one, so yes.
Overuse, methinks.
I need to buy him a new knife. Anyway, is that empty? Yes, it is. It's just that. Wow! Can you see that?
Give me a feel.
No!
Give me a feel.
It's mine!
Give me a feel.
Wait a minute, because it's not all the way in.
Is it flicking back?
Yeah, it is.
Oh my God.
I'll give you a feel in a minute. Why ain't it going in? Why are you shaking your head?
It should be in line with the tip of the brake lever. Or is there only one way it can go in?
What do you mean?
The tip of the brake lever to stop it from being hit. Oh, we'll sort it out later.
So, how do I adjust this then?
Isn't that on a swivel? Isn't you? No. Hold on. How is this attached to the rod?
It's just put in.
Okay, you can't move that.
No.
Well, what I'm saying is that should be further up, so that is in line with that.
So I'll change. I'll do it. Leave it alone.
You know. But do you see that's the whole point of a brake protector, to stop it from being hit.
So there then.
Yeah, it's got to be in line.
But they haven't got it in line.
Yes, they have. They've got it in line. Look, that's sitting flat.
Okay.
And that is just, you can see the shadow. There's hardly any gap below it.
Like that, you mean?
Yes, that's it. Thank you. Carry on, glamorous assistant.
Do you want all that in the film?
No, I don't.
Oh
God, I'm getting
Yeah.
I'm getting lippy, aren't I?
Because you're talking.
Oh wait.